Time for do-it-yourself home automation, and this is a look at my UBBI diaper pail. So I've tried a lot of different diaper pails over the years, and I really like that the UBBI has a couple of features that just make it better and higher quality, I think, and also just easier to use over time. So one thing I really love about it is that it's very solid. So the top of it, this is a plastic on the lid. The side, if you listen to that, is actually stainless steel. So this is a really secure, really solid bin, and then the lid itself is just thick plastic. So this holds up really well. You're using this all the time, and you want the material to be sturdy because you want it to contain any smells or anything inside of this diaper pail. So I love this, again, stainless steel construction. Much higher quality, I think, than something that's not going to have that steel component to it. The other thing I like, it's got this really simple, easy to open kind of hatch design on the top. Some diaper pails are so complex, to get them open. This one is pretty easy. There's just this big thing you can grab onto here for a handle. There is a lock, so you can lock this so that your kid, when they're a bit older, doesn't go and open it. So you can see it's locked here. Now I'm going to unlock it, and we literally just slide this over, and it's a seal here. It's a very sturdy seal, so you're not going to get smells and anything leaking out, and it's got a kind of a silicone piece here that latches in, so again, keeping all of the air in there contained, but it's super easy to figure out how to use it. You're literally just sliding this, and it's a really solid, smooth construction to that. The best part, though, I think, is to actually change the bag. All we're going to do is open this. So I'm going to pull up on this tab, open this up, and there's this loop, and then what do we see here? This is a normal garbage bag. I'm going to repeat that, a normal garbage bag. And that, I think, is one of the best things about this. It works with any traditional garbage bag. You don't have to buy special proprietary bags for it. You can get UBBI bags, but any standard kitchen trash bag, about a 13-gallon bag, I find works really well, you can use with this. And you're basically just putting the bag through this big loop, and then you're just hooking the sides up and around, and then closing this loop down that latches it in place. And then again, we're closing the top. And that's so great because you don't have to worry about running out of proprietary bags for this UBBI can. You can just use the same bags that you already use in your own kitchen. It seals it really well using that design. And then when you're done and ready to empty it, you just open this again. You pull this whole unit comes up, and then the bag pops out, and you just throw it away in your normal trash. So using those normal bags, not having to get your own special bags just for the can, I think is a really great feature of the UBBI. And you can see just the quality of the construction, really solid hinges. You can see when I open and close it, it's latches solidly, holds up well, and it's an attractive looking can. I think it's relatively compact. Again, that kind of sleek metal design is nice, and I think it looks great here in the nursery.